How to reset auto download in Zangi. So hey guys, in this video, I will teach you how to reset auto download in Zangi. So in the Zangi app, all we need to do to reset our auto download right here is open up our Zangi right here. So once our Zangi is open up right here, to reset like the auto download right here is open up the Zangi app right here. So once you open up the Zangi app right here, on the bottom right corner, you will see like a settings icon right there. Press on the settings icon on the bottom right corner. After pressing the settings icon right here, you'll be located right here to your settings. All you need to do is go down till you see data storage right here. All you need to do is press on data storage right there. Here at data storage, you will see a few stuff like via mobile data, via Wi-Fi. Here you will see reset auto download settings. If you want to reset it, just click on reset auto download settings. After pressing on that, here is giving us confirmation. Are you sure you want to reset the auto download settings? If you're ready, just click on the reset. But if you're not sure, you can always cancel and come back again next time. Once you cancel it, there you go. Here we have our keep medias right here, right there. Here are the storage caches. If you want to clear off some cache right here, press on that right here and then clear cache right there. The clear cache, there you go. It will function much more well. And here on the top you see keep media for, and there we go. If you want to maybe put it like forever, 1 month, 1 week, depending on you right there. But yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, type it down question below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to rock it, guys. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one, and there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.